Question number 55. Identify the option that can be assembled to form figure 1. So what they've given us figure 1 here, and these are the options. So we can rearrange these, can rotate these few things, and we're supposed to make figure 1 out of these options. So we should just figure out which of them can make figure 1. Either you can try to just rearrange them and make them, or first you can start by counting the area of each of them. For example, we can go by this approach where we divide figure 1 in basic shapes, which is a square. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's made up of 8 perfect same size squares. Now these figures can also make squares, but they should be 8 squares to make figure 1. And if you take a look at it, joining any two would make a square. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the 7th one, and there is a half. So this option A constitutes to 7.5 squares, which is not sufficient to make figure 1. So A is eliminated. Now we'll do the same for B. This would make 2 squares. This is half, another half, half, more halves, and half, 1, 2. So all these whole figures are 4. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 halves. So plus 5 times 1 by 2, which is equals to again 7.5. Not sufficient to create figure 1. Now C. These two together is 1. We can add these two, another one here. That's 1, 1, and these two together 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C can make 8 squares. So it can possibly make that, but we should check first. Now we'll move on to D. We'll check C later. So if you join these two together, putting the gap in, you can create a shape like this, which constitutes of 3 squares. Same over here. This is 3, this is 3. Now this one over here, if you divide it in 2, this is not a square. So in case it was a little longer, it could have made 8 squares, but now it's just 7.75 maybe, which is not enough to create figure 1. So the only remaining option is C, which has 8 squares. So it can create figure 1.